Yes, Namaskaram. So today I'm back again. This time we are talking about how I was able to rank my website onto ChatGPT search. I just discovered through my case studies, and I like to share with you all what I learn here. So the idea here is I read about ChatGPT search, and a lot of references of the internet are there, and I was wanting that can we get a website that is into the chat GPT search somewhere. So who knows? Tomorrow is just chat GPT time and people search more on chat GPT. That can happen. So let's get started. What I did basically, first of all, there was a time when Bing Webmaster tool, none of us tried, or very less people tried. But this is the time you need to log into the Bing Webmaster tools. And once you log in there, interestingly, I found the option that you can import your websites through the Google Search Console. So whatever the sites are verified there are imported here. So you don't have to do dual verification. That's an awesome thing. Thank you, Bing, for making this so easy. So first way is you can, if you have any Google Search Console account, just log into Bing Webmaster tools. As you can see on my screen, I can't share the other sites because they are client websites. So you can see I have just recently added, so even the data is not there. Then the second thing I did is I went to the sitemap after adding the website, and I just not only submitted my sitemap index but also the individual pages. I find it a little bit different here. When I sent the sitemap index, which was actually my index of multiple sitemap, it only gave me three, and I was not happy because my website have hundreds of thousands of posts. So what I did is additionally I added those, you know, individual XML files. So in Google, if you just submit the main index file, then it catches the other back URLs into the particular XML index. But here it doesn't that work that way. At least for now, I noticed. So I just added individual sitemaps. These are nothing, just the individual URLs to those sitemap, and I just submitted like you do the Google Search Console, like the same way. And earlier there was a different format, but now they just accept your XML sitemap. So you don't have to create another sitemap in a different format for the Bing Webmaster tools. You can use the same XML sitemap, and they reads it very well. You can see they have already crawled my sitemap, so that's a good thing. Now, because just like in the morning, I did this, it's like a couple of hours past, but I was just for the sake of curiosity, I was just checking this why that I was checking for some of the keywords like types of flexible holes. So when you put it there with the GPT search, let me just enable the GPT search into the chat GPT and let's search here. And you see, this is one reference and this is our blog, types blog. So we got it there. As soon as I did that, I noticed the difference. And even another thing is like because it's into the Bing, so I think it's very easy to rank into the Bing, by the way. If you have a good content, you can really rank well into the Bings. So when I go to the Bing, you see my website is just second rank. Maybe this is the first one, or if it's AI search result, of course it is, then my site is first there. And then you can see my site is ranking there. That's the right away it's ranking somewhere into this area as well. So now even the good thing is my website is also mentioned into the sources. So goodbye to the fluffy AI content. We have the content that's giving AI the day. So I hope this video helps you guys. I want to mention some of the important thing. One, your website should be speed optimized. So a slow website, I don't think they will prefer. So your website should be a good speed website. Your website should not have fluffy content, and the content should be properly managed in a way of a bullet points or tables if you can accommodate that into your content. So that kind of content. And the most important thing is do not forget for the Bing Webmaster tools. Add your site there, and that is your gateway to learn about AI optimization. I hope this video helped. Thank you very much. I see you into the next video.